Okay, boat's loaded up. We're gonna hit the road now. Looking good. Looking real good. Oh my god. First stroke.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Oh,
It feels good.
oh yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention the new paddle. First time getting this thing wet. So far it's awesome. It glides. It's darker. Right. Oh, this thing's not bad either.
Oh my god, it skims through the water so nicely.
Really nice vibe. I'm glad I got that. Did I bring frogs? Dude. Oh my god. Did I bring frogs? Wow. I'm Mr. Frog. Never caught anything on a frog, but I always bring them.
You got your paddle back?
Yeah.
That's wonderful.
Oh, I'm glad you like it. Nah, we're good. This is great.
Yeah, so we're like just past around the
To the left. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's deeper here.
Oh.
Oh.
Anyway, as I was saying, I got a fish, a nice little bass like this big, and then I turned it, but the red light was not on, so I think my camera died, unfortunately. And then I was showing the camera and it like just jumped off into the water. It was so exciting. The camera issues continue to plague me, but got one fish on the board, and that's why we're here. So that's a friggin' good, that's a good omen right there. Oh my god! That thing looks so heavy. It looks like 10 pounds. Oh. Look at that! Look at that! I'm gonna do the red 5 of diamonds here. I won't be able to get it. Oh my gosh! Don't tip it! Oh, it slipped right off the seat. Oh man! Oh, if that yoke was closer, that would have been perfect. Oh man! Onward! He's got to pee. Alright, we're gonna head back. Score is 1-0. Just saying. Not bragging. 1-0. I know, eh? We didn't, yeah. Oh, what? It feels good to walk. Oh. Alright, that's it for this Island Lake. Caught a nice little bass. Hope I got that on film. I don't know if I did. I don't think I did. Anyway, freaking awesome. So now we're just gonna pack up and hit the road. This is a nice lake, lots of weeds. Not too deep actually, but you know, it was a good time. It was good to get out for one thing. So one quick trip. Wow, this is really nice.
Whoa! I wasn't even looking.
This is beautiful.
Wow, it is. Damn, see, look at your bone.
There's a little stuff you missed. Alright, you chattering rods. How about you freaking put a sock in it?